everyone. An angle bisector is a line that splits an angle into two equal parts. So for example, if I have 23 degrees, so angle A, B, D equals 23 degrees, then that would mean, since D is the angle bisector, that DBC is also 23 degrees. All right, so DBC is also equal to 23 degrees. That also means that ABC, the total of these, so that's going to be angle ABC equals 46 degrees. All right, because you could add them up and you split it in half and you get 23. Now the kind of problems you're usually going to get are like this. So what we want to do is solve for x, set up an equation, solve for x, and find the angles. So, since we know that B is our angle bisector, and I know angle AOB, so this one equals 4x minus 3 degrees, and angle BOC, so angle BOC equals 2x plus 7 degrees. That means they have to equal each other because B bisects both of those. So we're going to set them equal to each other. So we have 4x minus 3 equals 2x plus 7. Now I'm going to solve for x by subtracting 2x from both sides using my subtraction property and adding 3 to both sides of the equation. So addition property. So you get 2x plus 0 equals 0 plus 10, or 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2 using your division property of equality. You get x equals 5. So to find the angle, you plug it in. So we're going to take this one and do 4 times 5. Minus 3. That equals 20 minus 3 is 17 degrees. So this angle here should be 17 degrees. All right, that's this one. All right, the other one, it should be 17 as well. So this should also be 17. So you do 2 times 5 plus 7, which is 10 plus 7 is 17. All right, so this should have been degrees. So this is 17 degrees. Now if you want to know what angle AOC is, you just add the 17 degrees plus 17 degrees, and that gives you 34 degrees. 34 degrees. So this whole angle would be 34. Okay, so you might, if you're getting this, try to do this on your own. I know that D is the angle bisector, so I'm going to set these to equal each other because they have to equal. So that means angle ABD has to equal angle DBC. So let's solve for x. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides and add 5 to both sides. I'm not subtracting 4x, I'm subtracting 3x. Sorry about that. So subtract 3x from both sides, add 5 to both sides. So you get 4x, that's going to be 0. equals 0. That's 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4 and you get x equals 2. So now let's look at this. Angle ABD is 7x minus 5 degrees. Use substitution and you get 7 times 2 minus 5, and that equals 14 minus 5 is 9 degrees. All right, now for DBC, this one, DBC, we have 3 times 2 plus 3, and that gives you 6 plus 3 degrees, which equals 9 degrees. So this is 9 degrees, and this does match this one, which is 9 degrees. And if you wanted the angle of ABC, that would equal 9 degrees plus 9 degrees, which equals 18 degrees. Okay, and the last one is this one. Again, maybe you can try it on your own. We want angle AOB to equal angle BOC. So we have x plus 4 equals 2x minus 1. Now this one we subtract x from both sides and add 1 to both sides. So that's going to be 0. So you have 5 equals 2x minus x is x, and that's going to be 0. So our x is 5. Now I'm going to substitute back into this. So we have 5 plus 4 degrees should equal 2 times 5 minus 1 degrees. So this is going to be 9 degrees equals 9 degrees. So it's like the other one. So this whole angle is 9 degrees. This whole angle is 9 degrees. And so if we're looking for AO, there's your vertex, OC, so angle AOC equals 9 degrees plus 9 degrees, which equals 18 degrees. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.